Come here. Come here. Now come here. Hop, 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 hop. Yeah, my neighbors, they always stop by after a hard day in the office for a free, free lunch or dinner. Come here, come here. That's where they live. They live right above me. Those little cuties. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hop. 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 That's my boy. That's my boy. Come. You come. You come. Come here. Come here. One is still a bit shy, but I think the girl, she loves me. So, Mister, come hop. 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 Those two cuties always brighten up my day. Hop. Here. Come here. Come here. Okay, okay, come here. Good girl, huh? Hop, hop. That's my boy, that's my boy. That's my boy. Now enjoy your meal, my friends. I'm just here too. Yeah, that's my boys, that's my boys. Beautiful. We are here on the rooftop of the world, on Ralf's balcony. The Wonderboy is feeding the birds. You two, you're fighting, huh? You're fighting. Come here, up, up. See how far I can bring him in. Hop, 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 big boy, hop. That's my boy. That's my boy. That's my boy. I gotta go, birdies. Gotta go to work now. Hop, hop, hop. Big lunch, or is that dinner? Hop, hop. You guys are so funny, so funny. Fighting for some little sunflower seeds. Hmm? I gotta go. Bye, birdies. Say goodbye. Bye. Bye.
Hi, my name is Michelle and I've seen Ralf talk a number of times at workshops and seminars, and recently his Crazy Raw Food Chef show as well. He's made a massive impact on my diet and I noticed the difference in my body. I feel so much healthier. One of the other things that I've learnt from Ralf is everything he does, it just shows through his enthusiasm for life. His love for life shows through, and I think that really makes it so much more fun and it transfers to you, and I just want to say thanks, Ralf, for the massive impact that you've had on my life.
Hi. Look, if I had to sum up Ralf in a short little time, I'd say that he's the most energetic person you'll ever come across. All the information that he gives you is better and more exciting and more fun than anyone else that would ever tell you anything about health. He makes raw food fun and he makes learning and being healthy a whole new experience for you. So you should definitely check him out so you can be healthy and fun, happy and fit.